This is our Four Bros hook and loop accessory mount. So what'll be in the kit is 3 screws, 3 captures, 3 washers, 1 Tegris hook backed plate, and your accessory. So in this case, we have the Cloud Defensive. This is the MCH 2.0, and it's a really popular handheld light, belt mount light, and also it'd be really good if you had it hook looped in a bag or on a panel. So set our light aside, and this is what will be in the kit for you. So you're going to turn this over, and we are going to use these 3 holes. It's going to make a big triangle. So we're going to want to line up these 3 with our mounts. So just simply set your captures in the back and then hold them in place with the rubber washers. And once you have all those in place, we'll screw them all down. Okay, so we have our captures lightly in place there, and then you're going to want to take your plate and line it up appropriately, like I said, with these 3 holes, matching those 3 mounts. You can adjust these within the channel to make sure they line up perfectly, and then get your screws lightly in there before we tighten them all down. As a reminder, when you guys are doing this, make sure that you get some VC3 or blue Loctite and apply it to all your screws, just because you don't want these shaking loose on you and you want it to stay in place once you get it mounted. And once you get those in place and everything lines up well and the way you like, just give them an extra turn, tighten them down. And then test fit your accessory. In this case, it's the light. And just like that, you guys are ready to mount this to any loop back panel, or like we've been showing, we have our hook and loop mount holster and mag carriers, and this can get stuck right in the bag wherever you need it. It definitely doesn't go anywhere once it's stuck, but you guys can switch these around, make your bag or panel modular, and keep your accessories, mags, and holsters with you.